Hi Stallions, this is your mystery story planning sheet. The directions for this sheet say to plan out your story using detailed illustrations. Do not write your story here. Again, boys and girls, do not write your story in this box. These are boxes used for planning purposes only. Once you've planned out and picked a character, you're going to draw a picture of your main character here. Once you've decided on a setting for your story, you're going to draw your setting here. When you've decided on a problem that your character has, you're going to draw that problem here in this box labeled beginning. What is the problem? You're going to draw what happens in the middle of your story, how your character is trying to solve that problem. And then at the end, you're going to draw how your character solved the problem in your story. This is your ending. Remember, this page is all for illustrations, not for your writing. You'll get a separate sheet of paper that you will use to write your story on. Good luck!